This is huge. Is there any way to add your own data to GPT's brain? Is there any way to ingest the data, index the data, embed the data, store the data in vector database so that it can be used by ChatGPT for high accurate results? Is there any way to implement RAG, that is Retrieval Augmented Generation, in your custom GPT? That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you about GPT's knowledge. I'm going to take you through step by step on how to add knowledge to your custom GPT and what to do if your file size is large. Before going into that, I regularly create videos in regards to artificial intelligence in my YouTube channel, so do subscribe and stay tuned. Coming to GPTs, this is an extension of my previous video, which I will link that in the description below. So to edit the already created GPT, go to the top and click Edit GPT. Here you can see the predefined information. To add knowledge, go to Configure, and then when you come down, you can see knowledge here. This acts as a second brain for your custom GPT. By adding files here, GPT will automatically index the data, embed the data, and save that in a vector database. That data will be used when we ask any question. This will increase the accuracy of the response. Now we are going to upload a file. Click Upload File. I've chosen songs_original. These are a list of 30,000 Spotify songs which I downloaded from Kaggle. Now I got a message saying that this file contains too much text. Please try again with a smaller file. This is a common issue. That's what we are going to tackle in this video. How we can chunk a large file into smaller chunks and then upload in GPT's knowledge. Now I'm going to click Cancel Remove File. Now we are going to chunk the file. I have created a Python code to calculate the number of tokens. So I use tick token. Tick token is recommended by OpenAI, as you can see here. This code gets a file name as a parameter and then prints out the number of tokens. I have a file called songs_original. That's where all my content is. The maximum limit is 2 million tokens. Let's see how many tokens is in this file. Python calculate tokens.py songs_original.txt and click enter. We can see totally there are more than 4 million tokens in that file. That's why you are not able to upload that. Now we are going to divide this into smaller chunks. For that I have created another Python program. This also uses tick tokens, and I have provided maximum token chunk is 1.5 million. You can even change this token limit according to your needs. So this function gets the song's original text with the model name. Using that, the code will automatically divide that in different files, which you can see here. Now I'm going to run this code. If you have any other file other than songs_original, you can replace your file name here and then you can run the code. In your terminal, type python chunks.py and click enter. Now it completed running. Now you can see the large file got divided into 3 chunks. Now let's check the size of the chunk. Chunk 1 is 1.5 million. Chunk 2 is also 1.5 million. And chunk 2 is 1.4 million tokens. Now let's go to the interface and upload the files. I've selected 3 files and clicked open. Now I can see the file getting uploaded without any errors. This can be considered as ChatGPT's second brain. Upload is done now. That means indexing, embedding, and saving to vector DB is done. Now I'm going to ask questions. Tell me about Dance Monkey Decibel. Searching my knowledge. Here you got the answer. Song Dance Monkey by Tones and I. Releasing date. Going to ask, tell me about Underdog Decibel. Searching my knowledge. The song Underdog by Alice Keys. And finally you can click the update button and click only people with link or public and click confirm. That's it. As simple as that. I hope now you can add as much documents in your GPT's second brain by dividing it in more chunks, thus increasing the accuracy of your response. I'll be still creating more videos in regards to GPTs, so stay tuned. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.